There was this guy, he was an anesthetic nurse. Are you there? So he's been in the theater for 22 years, seeing all kinds of surgical procedures. And he's an expert, he's a professional in administering anesthesia. After 22 years of viewing medical procedures, C-section, taking out the what they call appendix, operations, operating the brain, taking out tumors for 22 years. I will not mention the name of the country, but it's not in America anyway, so rest your case. The guy started doing operations in his house. Yeah, so people would just come, just pay. Then he converted his dining table to a surgical table. Listen to me, none of his surgeries failed. None. If it's a C-section, before you know it, the baby is crying. And he cleans up well. And the patient is discharged. Someone having problems with the appendix, the radiologist confirms it, that is appendicitis. They come to his house. His dining table became his theater. And one by one, he began to get equipment for his surgery business, and he was quite a surgeon. Now, so the question we're asking is, yes, the C-section, you did it well. These things. But the question is what? By whose authority? Now you are following me. The things the man did were good things. He had results. But now, we want to ask the legitimacy behind your doings. So someone that the question, can it be done, is an ability question. That's a power question. The question, should it be done, is a legitimacy question. The power man can. But it is only when you have legitimacy that you should. He did not have legitimacy, he had ability. And he was doing stuff. But he did not have the legitimacy to do the stuff that he did. So that makes his ability criminal. Because it was unauthorized. Oh, you are not with me. You're not here. I'm trying to open a few things to you. Because you understand this, there's no need for me to read and explain Jesus' response to this matter. No need for that, because you already understand. So something can be good, but it may lack legitimacy. A man can have an ability that is unauthorized, and is using unauthorized ability. The man only asked, can it be done? And he took off like a tornado. He never asked, should it be done?